Today on Happiest Camper, we show you how to sew this classic DIY tank top. This cute tank top is simple to sew and has neck and armholes reinforced for durability. You will find that you will reach for it to take you through your morning run, supermarket trip, or wear with the kimono cardigan for cooler weather or a night out. You certainly will not stop at making just one. Let's get started. This project includes a free pattern that you'll need to print and piece together to cut out your fabric pieces. Just visit the link in the video description. Start by placing your front and back tank pieces right sides together. Pin them at the shoulders. With the tank still right sides together, align and pin the side seams from the armholes to the hem. Sew the side seams, then sew the shoulders. Take your neck binding and armhole bindings, pin them right sides together along the short edges, and sew. In this next step, the neck binding and the arm bindings will be divided into quarters. To do this, fold the binding in half, wrong sides together. Locate the seam and mark with a pin. Using this first mark as a guide, divide the binding into half and mark with a pin. Fold the binding again so that both pin markings are on top of each other. And mark the other two ends by inserting pins. Repeat the steps for the remaining binding pieces. To mark the neck on your tank in quarters, place the shoulder seams together and find the center point of the front and back neckline. Mark each with a pin. Using the center back and center front markings, place them on top of each other to find the center mark of the shoulder. You will find that your shoulder seam is not your center point. We are about halfway through this fun sewing tutorial. If you are enjoying this so far, be sure to like this video. To mark the armholes on your tank in quarters, place the shoulder seams and side seams together. Arrange the fabric and find the other quarter points. Repeat for the next armhole. Pin your neck binding to the wrong side of your tank at the neck. Align each quarter mark pin on the binding to a quarter mark pin at the neck, ensuring that the seam of the binding is placed at the center back of the tank. You will find that the binding is shorter than the neck. Using a stretch stitch, sew the neck and arm bindings to the tank, stretching the binding slightly as you go. Flip the binding to the right side of the tank, enclosing the neck raw edges, pin and sew using a stretch stitch. Repeat the above steps to attach the armhole binding to the armhole. To hem your tank, fold the tank by 1/2 inch twice and sew with a stretch or straight stitch. Iron the bindings and the hem to remove any wavy seam that may have formed. And that's it! Now you have a nice, comfy tank top you can wear around the house or on the town. This is a wonderful project to start off with in the new year. Let us know in the comments if you received some new sewing supplies for Christmas. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to stay up to date on our latest sewing content. Thanks for watching.